Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's time for another plan with Vivi. We are planning the week of December 16th through December 22nd in my Erin Condren Lifeplanner. This is basically getting down to the last couple of weeks left in this Erin Condren planner for me for 2019. And then we'll be moving into the 2020 planner, which I'm so excited about. So the kit that I am using for this week is called Believe. It is again by Design Sticker Store, and it is a kit that is inspired by the Polar Express, which I'm gonna be completely honest, I haven't watched it. I know, so bad, but I love that kit. It's really pretty. It definitely has all those Christmassy vibes that I wanted to start feeling and seeing. So we're going to use that for this week's kit. So let's get started and show it to you. Alright, so here is the kit. Again, it's already pre-printed and cut, as this is a printable kit. So let me pull this out. So here is the first sheet with the full boxes. It is really cute. I am loving this so much. I am debating on whether I want to take my Jelly Roll clear Stardust pen and just like glitterify the full boxes. I may or may not, just depends on what I'm feeling. But those are the full boxes there. It does have some bottom boxes, quarter boxes there. This is the bottom washi, which is so stinking cute with the little choo-choo train. Then we've got some hearts checklist here, some icon stickers here with some scripted words, and then you have some arrow stickers here. I love these little post-it notes, in case you had no idea. Yeah, we'll get into that later, but yeah, absolutely love that. Then we have the day covers with the headers, the date dots, and then a stackable sidebar and these cute little bows right here. We've got this gorgeous glitter washi up here on the top with TV stickers, dinners, some appointment boxes and work stickers here. We've got our squared off half boxes, some bill dues, habit trackers. I like this little list right here. I love this weekend banner. We've got some other little cute little decorative appointment boxes here, a road trip, a flight tracker, and some bow boxes down here as well. We've got the hearts checklist here. You've got a birthday banner and a $2 Tuesday reminder there. Then you have this countdown to Christmas, which is so gorgeous. So we're going to use that as well. And then, of course, you've got your icon stickers here. Not icon stickers, deco stickers. What am I talking about? And then you've got your pattern washi on this side. So we have that. I also am going to, let's see what I pulled out for decorative. I pulled out my hollow stuff here with the hollow headers here, which is so pretty. I've got some icon stickers here, some scripted words here, some more icon stickers. I've got lots of icons. These are some just little side borders here, and some more, this is I guess the glitter hollow, and this is just the regular hollow for icon stickers, but I have both of those to use. I also pulled out, I got this printable file from I Love to Print, and it's basically like a Christmas bucket list that it prints in black and white, and I just used markers to color it, and then I used this pen to make it sparkle and shine. That's what I'm talking about the glitterifying my stickers. I love it because no matter what color you use, it'll accentuate it with the clear pen. You don't have to worry about having an exact match on it. And then I pulled out these drizzle dot banners. This is in the color Winter's Night, and that's got the silver hollow. I have these old school color club from ScribblePrintsCo, and then I still have these from the Planner Kate double dot banners and some appointment boxes, and of course For the day covers, I still have my silver. We're using silver for Christmas or for the month of December. Now for the washi that I pulled out, I still love this washi. I know I used it last week. This is the ScribblePrintsCo bow washi with the hollow graphic foil on it. I still love it for this kit. I switched out these. I used the blue last week, but we're gonna go with silver, and instead of just using the regular silver, I pulled out the holographic silver for that washi. So this is what we've got going on, and enough with this part, and let's get to planning, because that's what we're here for, right? All right, so stay tuned.